Running into some problems already. You guys have no idea. I just can't reach the back anymore.
I've been watching Friends for as long as I can remember. Over the years, Ross whitened his teeth a little too much.
So, yeah, where were we?
Rachel made dessert that tasted like feet.
Does it not taste good? Let me try it.
No.
Chandler was handcuffed by Rachel's psycho boss.
Would you please just...
Phoebe changed her name to...
Princess Consuela Banana Hammock.
Monica taught us about erogenous zones.
7!
And Joey wore all of Chandler's clothes.
I'm wearing everything you own.
Watching that scene, I guess I've always wondered if that was possible. Could someone actually wear all of their clothes? Thinking back on all the clothes I've owned at any given point in my life, the answer is definitely no. But recently, as I've been moving from country to country, leaving items along the way and shipping sweaters back home to Brazil, I've started to think that it is, in fact, possible. I also thought it would be a cool lesson in minimalism. I mean, when you're traveling full-time, how much clothes do you effectively need? I just wear the same t-shirts over and over anyways.
Seeing as my whole life right now fits into this backpack and this suitcase, I thought this is the perfect moment to try this out. So without further ado, this is the one where Gringo wears all his clothes. Seeing as I wanted to keep this video kid-friendly, I'm already wearing 13 pairs of underwear, as you can see. And by the way, I have never done this before. This is my first attempt. So right now I'm gonna attempt to put my jeans on. I think this is gonna be the most difficult part of the process. Ugh. Okay, this came on quite nicely. I feel like I have dirty diapers on. Next up is 2 pairs of swimmers and 5 pairs of shorts. There's also a jeans pair of shorts here, so let's see how this goes. 1. I think I want to finish this video as fast as possible. Running into some problems already, but they're on. Can't close them. My Vietnamese shorts are next. Oh, these are starting to not come on. I'm already sweating and I could barely bend down. This is already so much harder than I had predicted. I'm glad the bottom part is almost finished. Can I do it? I'm honestly not sure. Come on, flamingos. I don't want to ruin these shorts, so that's as far up as they're gonna go. My last pair of shorts. Zip that day baby down. You guys have no idea. I have these green pants and these that I wear every single day. My nuts are being squashed. I feel like I'm back in the 90s. Sag culture. Far up as they go. I'm gonna make this look nice. The bottom part of all of my clothes. It's possible. Believe in your dreams. Let's see what's next. I feel like I've made a mistake. I have 19 pairs of socks that I need to put on and I can barely stand up or bend down. Friend socks. My sister gave me these. I'm gonna put on 19 different socks on one foot. I already feel like I have elephantitis on my feet. And you know what? This whole exercise has made me see that maybe I have too many pairs of socks. Pretty sure I'm kind of ruining these socks right now. Just to show you that you don't need much to travel. You don't need much money. You don't need much clothes. I believe I probably still have too much clothes. I've done it. I'm sweating right now. Albanian summer. I can't even put my foot up to show you guys. Ugh. There you have it. I am wearing 19 pairs of socks. Okay, 3 tank tops. Next tank top. The last tank top. All right, that was easy enough. 2 long sleeve shirts. Ooh. I can feel the heat of Albania creeping in. 2 long sleeve shirts are on. I got my tank tops on. I have 12 t-shirts. I'm just gonna attempt to put on all of them. The hat's coming off. It's becoming far too difficult. So I'm just gonna leave that there in the hopes that you can still hear me. Let's do this as fast as possible. You can do this. Sopranos, anyone? Strokes. Oh, my favorite black shirt. This is in every video. Tranquility-based tacos. I actually designed this. Can't get it down. I got it. Who killed Laura Palmer, huh? So guys, now that you're seeing me do this, please let me know in the comment section if you think you would be able to do this with your wardrobe. If you want to travel full time like I do, this is just to show you that you may have much more clothes than you think you need. And this has definitely shown me that I have more clothes than I need, because honestly, I don't think I wear a third of this stuff. I like wearing plain shirts a lot of the time. Another Arctic Monkeys. What band shirts do you guys have? Just trying to make small talk during this very unusual situation. When I wasn't able to put on the socks, there came a point where I didn't think I'd be able to do this, but I'm kind of starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Next up, 4 dress shirts. Hope I don't rip any of these. First shirts are my dad's. Sorry, Dad. It wasn't as hard as I had predicted. What do you guys think? I feel like a scarecrow. I'm actually very emotional to announce that this is the last stage of the process. I will now attempt to put on 3 sweaters and 1 rain jacket. And I just want to say, a few months back when me and Nikki were in Turkey, I sent back a box of sweaters. That's something that you need to do when you're on the road full time, because the seasons change and you don't want to be hauling winter clothes or summer clothes around. So I did send back to Brazil a box of sweaters, and I would not be able to be doing this video right now if it weren't for that. And guys, I just can't reach the back anymore. I can barely move at all anymore. Shout out to Georgia. Ajaruli Khachapuri. This is like the only winter sweater I own right now because it's so fucking hot in Albania. Thank you. Thank you. I can barely move right now. But what do you know? I'm wearing all of my clothes. And a disclaimer, I'm not wearing my slip-on Vans or my New Balances. These are the only 2 shoes that I have. I don't even have flip-flops right now. There's one last thing I need to do. Okay, buddy boy, here it is. I'm wearing all my clothes.
Oh my God!
Could I be wearing any more clothes? I tell ya, it's hot with all this stuff on. I better not do any, I don't know, lunges.
Okay, enough with the lunging.
And actually, something just dawned on me. In that episode, Joey is freeballing, something I am not. So, theoretically, I put on more clothes than Joey ever did. Putting on all my clothes today was a little harder than I had predicted, I must say. So, I've definitely learned a lesson about minimalism, and I hope you have too. If you think this has been a valuable message, give this video a thumbs up so the mighty algorithm will spread it a little further. And let me know in the comment section if you think you could do this with your wardrobe. And if you're a traveler and you can't, maybe you should rethink your wardrobe. That's something that I'm definitely going to be doing after today. This is your friendly neighborhood gringo, signing off. Oh, can't wait to take this shit off.